After 3 days orbiting Earth, the astronauts of Inspiration4 flying aboard SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft safely splashed down in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Kennedy Space Center, Florida, at 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Saturday, September 18, 2021. The return marks the completion of the world's first all-civilian human spaceflight to orbit, which launched on a flight-proven SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from historic Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida on Wednesday, September 15, 2021. Teams on SpaceX's Go Searcher recovery ship secured the spacecraft, hoisted it onto the main deck of the ship, where the Inspiration4 crew egressed the spacecraft and received medical checks before a helicopter ride to them back to Kennedy Space Center. The mission completed several historic firsts, including the first all-civilian human spaceflight to orbit, first black female spacecraft pilot, youngest American in space, first person to fly to space with a prosthetic, farthest flight for a human spaceflight since the Hubble missions, first time SpaceX has operated 3 Dragons in space, first free flight of a Dragon spacecraft on a human spaceflight mission, largest contiguous window ever flown in space, first splashdown of a Dragon crew in the Atlantic Ocean, first thrice flown Falcon 9 booster to launch a human spaceflight mission. Please subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks for watching. TNC Network. Knowledge. Life. Fun.